So hey guys, today we are playing Minecraft and we are gonna do a house tour. So let's start. So at the first floor we have some beds here and we have an anvil and we have some music box and we have some crafting tables and then we have like some chests and we have some stuff and we have the place where we wash our dishes. Now we will go for the second floor. At second floor we have some beds and we have some diamond blocks and some emerald blocks, and here also we have some emerald blocks and some gold blocks. Here we have some chests. I'll show you what's inside them. In this some is there, and in this nothing is there. In this same. Now in this nothing is there, and in this we have 52 gold, 64 gold, 64 gold, 64 gold, 4 flowers, 2 beds, and a block. In this we have 164 gold, 264 gold, we have 64 gold, which is equals to some amount of diamonds. Now we will go for the third floor. In third floor we have a TV. We have a TV where we can watch news. In here we have a dining table, and here we have some books, and in here we have a bathroom. As you can see, we can just sit here and have a good time. Now I will show you what's at the roof. Here we come at the roof. Over the roof we have some fences so that no one can fall out from the house. As you see. Now let's go back to the house and explore more. Let me close these doors first. Now let's go kill some zombies. We will wait for the night. First we need some armor and some food and a little bit of golden apples. I already have plenty of food, as you see here. I have a golden carrot, 2 enchanted golden apples, and some wheat, which I don't need. I have an arrow, a sword, and a pickaxe. We will need to explore later. And here we have some armor that we will use them later. Now let's wear the armor. So as you see, we wore our armor, and now let's go fight kill some animals and cook something. Here's some cows. They give us lots of things, so let's kill them. As you see, we go the leather and 3 steaks. Now let's go cook them. Let's take some coal. Let me find coal. I kept them somewhere around here. It seems that we don't have any coal, so let's go explore. Let's go to a nearby cave and find some coal. No, not any coal here. Let's go to the side. Here it is. Now let's find some coal. Here it is. We find a lot of coal. Good thing we have a diamond pickaxe so that we can dig for coal easily. Let's take enough coal and go. So we have enough coal. Here are more. That's a lot. Let's put the torch so that we can see. Whoa, there are lots of it. For now we have 11. More are there. We have 20 now. We found a lot of coal. Well, that should be enough. Now let's go back to our house. We totally got 33. Now time to go back to our house. Where are we? Now let's go back. Now let's go back to our house. There it is. Where is that? Oh, it seems like an unknown place. Let's go back. Let's gather some blocks. Now here we are at the top. Now let's go back to our house and cook our stuff. Here we are back to our house. Now let's cook some 3 steaks and then put one coal. Now let's wait until that time and we will sleep till that time. It's morning time. Let's see. We have got 1 steak. Now let's remove the things that we don't need. We don't need this 30 coal on a diamond. Leather we don't need. These all we don't need. So guys, that's all for today. See you on the next video. Bye. Make sure to subscribe and like. See you later.